What are the two sides of the brain? Hi, welcome back to the Mindflux channel. Did you know that the right side of your brain is better at math, and the left side is better at reading? Well, in this video you'll learn how these two halves differ in their functions and how they can affect your everyday life. Let's jump in. The brain is the most complex part of our body, and there are many things that we don't know about how it works. But luckily, science has been able to create some theories on how the left and right sides of your brain work. In order to make the most out of your brain power, you should always try to use both sides equally in order to stimulate it more effectively. The right and left sides of the brain are responsible for different functions. The right side of the brain. According to the left brain, right brain dominance theory, people who are more creative tend to reside on the right side of their brain. But why? Well, because that is where creativity and expressive tasks originate from. Some abilities associated with this area include recognizing faces, expressing emotions appropriately, as well as creatively through art or music production. This also includes reading others' emotional states, that might be hard for some, appreciating color in a different way than those residing in blue brains, using imagination liberally without feeling guilty about not being productive enough at times, and intuition, which has helped many make difficult decisions when they couldn't figure out what was going on by themselves otherwise. It's also in charge of spatial awareness, which makes it a great asset when playing sports or doing arts and crafts. Another function of the right side of the brain is to process information about numbers. The left side of the brain. The left side of the brain is where our analytical and logical thinking takes place. It's more likely to excel at tasks like reasoning, numbers, language, logic, anything that requires a lot of thought. It also controls some involuntary functions like breathing and blinking. The left hemisphere can be dominant in most people. There are 3 different ways to improve how your brain works. Number 1. Exercise. Exercise is a great way to increase the amount of blood flow to the right side of your brain, which can lead to it being more active. Number 2. Meditation. Meditation, on the other hand, helps with stress relief as well as increasing creativity for those who practice. Number 3. Socializing. If you want to improve how fast the left side of your brain works, socializing with people is a great way. When talking with others about their thoughts and feelings, it helps you process information more quickly. Recent research has shown that the human brain is not nearly as dichotomous as once thought. For example, studies have found that math skills are strongest when both halves of our brains work together to solve a problem. In conclusion, there are many ways that you can increase how well both sides of your brain work. First off, start by making sure that you're living a healthy lifestyle. Once you've started taking care of how your brain is functioning from the inside out, it will then be easier to stimulate how well it works on the outside by playing games or doing puzzles. That's it for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more videos like that. Thank you from the Mindflux.